The fact that like I'm in my process, I'm in my journey, like this is my journey and I'm so excited, like I made it, you know? Rather than braid and band, which I saw a lot of YouTubers did, she said put in a little, like almost like a little bun with the rubber band. Previously on my natural hair to sister locks journey, I was in tears almost. And I know this is what I wanted and like I researched it and I have to be patient, but like how long? Because this isn't it, honey. I'm on my way right now to go get my first retie. My hair is 9 weeks since I've gotten it done. I got it done at the end of February. I did my testing in January. I did my test locks. And then in February, I actually went and got my sister locks. Anyway, it's shrinking right now because I just washed it and I'm letting it air dry while I go to my appointment. I'm super excited. Just that, like, for the fact that like I'm in my process, I'm in my journey, like this is my journey and I'm so excited, like I made it, you know? She put me on a 6-week timeline because if she put me on 4, I would have asked for 6, you know? And I really would like it to be 8 weeks, but I'm excited to have some of those baby hairs that come loose and some of the back hairs that come loose. Those are the twos that I can tell my hair is not fully locked with, because these, like, there's some in the very back, like the very small ones in the back come loose and the very ones in the front also come loose because they're very small baby hairstyle. Look, I am in a neighborhood where I feel it's safe enough to freaking actually talk now because it's a low-key 50-mile-per-hour neighborhood and I'm not stressed. Anyway, I can actually think and talk to y'all. I'm on my way. I am about 2 minutes away. As you can tell, I still have a little bit of the dermatitis here at the edge, but it's nothing past the front. So I'm hoping eventually it'll go away. Speed bumps are everywhere. People are out in the neighborhood. I really like it. It's like all these one-story bungalow style homes. I love it here. Then I'll be checking in after I get my retie completed. Do I feel like my hair has grown? Yes, it has grown. I can see the roots have grown out. Let's see if we can get a better lighting.
In a quarter mile, the destination.
Okay, so yeah, I'm about to go in for my retie now. I will be back when my retie is completed. I will let y'all know how it went. So I wanted to do a little check-in. It's been like 2 days now since I went to get my retie done, and I'm gonna get a little close so you can see it. I do find that my dermatitis is getting better. My loctician told me some more tips on how to wash it. Rather than braid and band, which I saw a lot of YouTubers did, she said to just kind of like put in a little, like almost like a little bun with the rubber band, wash it out, and then braid and band in order to get the desired style. She did the retie so fast. It literally took 2 hours for the retie. I was thinking 6 hours. 2 hours, I was in and I was out. I was like planning for a whole day of events. It was crazy. But I'm so happy it takes that long. It makes the whole journey kind of even worth it more so for me. This is nine weeks post my original installation. This is the length it looks like. I did a bend to knot out, so it's a little bit poofy. It's giving very much 80s, 70s, something. It's giving something. But my loctician did mention that she thought that my locks were gonna expand a little bit more than they did, and they haven't. But everyone's journey is different. I'm not really gonna stress that. It's just hair. It makes my life easier. That's all that matters. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna get a little closer. I think if I pull it, I'm like right here. I cut off a couple inches. It was like a little bit here before, but it's healthier now. So it's right here. One side is longer than the other. It is what it is. But that's what we have. I love it. I still love it. It's been a great decision. Look at her move, baby.